Do I have lipstick on my teeth? I always have lipstick on my teeth.
Right there.
It's there?
Yeah.
Is it gone?
Can you get it?
Stop it! Oh my gosh, this guy. Well, I always have lipstick on my teeth in videos, so hopefully not now.
No.
Anyway, I'm Tanya.
I'm Derek.
We are Life Voyages. Our channel is about
Disability. Travel.
in our van.
Being sexy.
Yeah. Telling you guys about our lives, good, bad, and whatever happens.
Indifferent.
Yeah. Anyway, this is our community post.
Because we don't have a community tab.
Yes, we aren't privileged enough yet.
No, we're not impotent.
So when you see this lovely thumbnail come up on Mondays, right there, that's when you know you'll go click on it to find out what's up. What's up in our world.
New info.
Look at this. We have haircuts. Do you see this? Is this crazy? My bandana, my signature bandana is gone. Derek no longer has a mullet. Look at that.
Mullets are cool, man.
They're back.
Mullets
oh my
are
God,
cool and they are trendy.
The lady at the salon said that people are requesting mullets. Can you believe that? That is like on point. So he could have left his mullet and he could have let it grow.
I'm ahead of the fashion curve, baby.
I am not retiring the bandana. You'll still see it because there's days I don't want to do my hair and I love my bandanas, but for today it's red.
I traded Tanya in for a redhead. Wow, wow. Wow, wow.
You're crazy. New model. I don't know if it'll be improved though.
Oh. We'll put it through the test.
Oh my gosh. Okay, more info. As you guys can probably see, this shoulder is raised here. And my head is curved down. I'm crooked. And yeah, this is something I deal with every month. You'll probably be able to see it really good. I know, Derek tries to pull it down, but it won't work until I go for my treatments at the end of the month. So... Also, you might see me blinking uncontrollably, lots of blinking like this. You also might see twitching of my eyes. Both eyes actually do it. Those are also part of the dystonia. So I have spasms in both eyes. So on some videos you might see lots of blinking or the eye spasming. That happens all the time. It's part of it. Some days are worse than others, so you will see in a lot of videos my eyes blinking a lot. I notice it. I probably notice it more than you guys, but anyway, I just wanted to let you know that too. So that's another type of spasm around the eyes. So, but I get the dystonia affects my head, eyes, neck, shoulder, all the way down to the mid-spine, mid-back. Something I have to deal with, but it's only one of my many issues. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up that my head is not, well, it is crooked, but it's only temporary because I go and get my treatments at my neurologist. And so when it gets bad, every 3 months is when my treatments are. He has to inject like 16 points of Botox to paralyze the muscles. So then it relaxes again, and I'm good to go for a while.
Ring the bell, Quasimodo! Ring the bell!
So,
Dun,
there are
dun, dun.
there are videos where you will see me in this, and I'll probably be wearing it on Wednesday. So, because it's just really tough to sit for long periods of time with
And let's be real, she's
like
lying.
this.
She's lying. We got frisky last night. She got all caught up in the headboard. And she ain't been able to recoup.
Anyway, if you'd like to know more about our conditions and why Derek's in a wheelchair, then go to the, click the link above, because it will give you, it's a whole video on our medical conditions and such. And so click on that. You can find out more information. Also, there was a really good video interview done on a live stream from Box Van D a few weeks ago. So in the description box will be a link to that.
She got into some good questions. She
got real personal too. So if you want to know the personal stuff, then watch that video. It will be in the description, and I'll also put it in the comments, so it'll be easy for you to find. Anyway, what's up next, Derek? Do we know? Let's refer.
Schedule.
Oh, the schedule. Yes. Our schedule from now on will be Monday's community tab.
Mondays we'll do a community info video.
Like this
in
one.
In lieu of the community tab.
Just like this one, where you'll know what's up.
Wednesday morning we'll issue our new weekly videos. This week it is on.
We're actually doing a premiere this week instead of the morning, so it'll be 3:45 p.m.
What's it on?
It is on hand control.
There we go.
It is on watching Derek use hand controls.
Yes.
So it's an accessibility video.
Wednesday morning, we will issue our weekly videos, and then we'll jibber jabber about them 4 o'clock Pacific on the live stream. But, this Wednesday, the day after tomorrow, we will be doing a premiere video at 3:45, 15 minutes prior to the live stream.
And the live stream is super duper special.
It is the halfway there. Whoa, subscribing on a prayer.
So
I really do sing like an angel.
Oh my gosh, really. No. Anyway, there will be lots of prizes. We have our old-fashioned prize wheel, and all the prizes will be different. There's really good ones, guys. There's going to be really good ones on there.
There's a $50,000 gift card.
Quit saying that. Somebody's going to say
to Acme Widget Incorporated.
Okay, there you go. To our fake company, okay?
That doesn't exist.
Anyway, there will be a lot of good prizes on the wheel, and there'll be a lot of wheel spins. We're making it a 2-hour one because we want other channels to come and up on the panel and chit chat with us, party with us, bring the shenanigans.
Shenanigans?
Yeah, we're always getting into trouble on our live streams.
There's no shenanigans, there's no whiskey, there's no wine, nothing of that. We are a strictly professional, down the straight-laced.
Right. Oh my goodness. Really? Okay, can you shut that off? Okay.
She's looking at my crotch.
Oh my God, stop. Anyway, we want to tell you one last thing for the community post. Y'all really started watching our playlists since our last week's community tab, and we cannot thank you enough.
Hours are blown up.
We've gotten like over 300 watch hours, and for a small channel like ours so far, that is really, really good. And if we can duplicate that every week, we will be monetized in no time.
We'll hit our watch hours shortly.
And we want you to leave in the comments if you play our playlist, or when you do play our playlist, because we will reciprocate that and play yours. We play a different playlist every night, or sometimes playlists take 2 nights. But we have ran several playlists this last week, and we have a whole chart with the dates, so we know we can play it again in a month.
Ivy's Fortune Homestead and Thin Blue Lane come to mind.
Yeah,
we've run those the last couple nights.
Others, but from what we hear, you can only run them once a month for them to recognize it. So that's why we put a date next to their name, so we know we can run it
on the
again
calendar.
Another month. Anyway, we cannot thank you enough. We want to see you guys Wednesday for the premiere, 3:45. If you haven't rang the bell to get all notifications, switch it to all, because you will be notified 30 minutes before that premiere. 30 minutes before the premiere, you will get a notification to remind you.
Ring that bell.
Also for our live streams. Anyway, see you on Wednesday. Goodbye.
Bye, everybody.
We love you.
Hey. No, never mind. I just wanted
What?
if you turn that camera off, we can go see if we can straighten out your shoulder.
Oh my gosh, stop it.